How to run a script at login/logout in OS X. I'm toying around with building a custom render farm manager, and I want to automatically add OS X machines to the render farm when they are not in use. Is there a way to trigger a script to run once any user has logged out then stop when any user has logged in?
There are several ways to run scripts at login/logout in OS X. Some are more recent and only apply to 10.5 and above, some are rather deprecated, but the fastest one would be to add a login hook. First, create the script you want to run. Open up a terminal and enter. This will open a text editor. Enter the script, e.g. with the following contents. Save the file. In your terminal, run. This will make the file executable. Now, let's add it as a hook. There's also the logout hook counterpart. I've tested this on OS X 10.6, and it should work even up to 10.8. Keep in mind that the script runs as root and there is only one hook for login and logout respectively. To undo all that, enter. Note that this method is not recommended for deployment or anything, but if you're only using it like your question stated, that should be no problem.
Login hooks were deprecated in 10.4 in favor of launched. To run a script at login, save a plist like this as /library/launchagent/test.plist. It's loaded on the next login even if you don't run launch to load /library/launchagent/test.plist. For more information, see manlaunch.plist and this blog post.
The preferred route is using Apple's Launched. Launch.plist files can have, among others, one of the following keys. Upon login, Launched will scan through files and load the daemons and agents defined therein via .plist files. Therefore, regarding running a script at login, create a daemon or agent specification definition .plist file. Use runatload.plist key, maybe also use launch alliance. If instead you want to run specifically when a certain disk image volume file system is mounted, you can use start and mount. Place the .plist file in one of the appropriate files directories. Now Launched will automatically load it up upon login and run it according to your specification definition. Regarding running a script at logout, you could try running logout stuff upon login, but other than that I don't know of a key that has the functionality of triggering a daemon agent upon logout. However, you could try to find an event that happens upon logout, that Launched can detect, and use that as trigger for your daemon agent spec definition. Launch.plist has a key called sockets, maybe there's a way to do it with that.
If Launch will be, even the logic isn't quite